Hello and welcome to Anova.Golf. By now you've logged into your coach account, but it looks a bit empty here because we don't have any players linked yet, and we'll get to that in a later video, but for now let's just see what the coach account looks like with some players added to it. This is what an account looks like when there are a few players linked to it. So as we can see, we're on the rounds screen, which is the screen you'll see when you first log in. All of the players that we're linked to, we're seeing all of their rounds show up here on the round screen. So we can click anywhere on this row to get to that player's round summary, and we'll cover that in more detail in another video, but this is an extremely detailed view of this player's particular round. To go back to our coach account, we go back by clicking on the Go Back button at the top of the screen. We can sort these players either by player name or date, and we can also search for golf clubs and players, and we can also switch between 9 and 18 hole rounds. The next screen we'll take a look at is the player screen. So here's where you'll see all of the players that are linked to your coach account. This demo account has 4 players linked to it. We can see the number of rounds they have. If you're a college or high school coach, we can change this to be a particular player class like freshman, sophomore, etc. We can see what kind of subscription they have, and these notification options are turning on and off email notifications when your players are adding the rounds. We can also go to their player accounts by clicking on this View Player button. If we want to unlink them from our coach account, we can click on this red X here, and if we want to assign them into a custom group, we can use this option, and we'll also cover that in another video. Next up is the rankings page. Here's where we can ask very detailed performance questions, so we're just going to go ahead and do that real quick. For example, which one of our players hits it the straightest when they miss the fairway? So we're going to select off the tee in the category and distance from the edge of the fairway, and then generate a ranking. And here we go. So that's how you are able to answer extremely detailed performance questions. The last screen we'll cover here in this quick walkthrough video is the courses screen. Here you can search for and also add new courses to our platform. Once they're added, they're there for everyone to use, and this means you can add a course exactly how a player has played it if they play in a tournament. Over here on the right, we have a few more options. We have your profile, where you can change your name and email address. In the preferences section, I want to highlight the preferred units of measurement. Your players can be in one unit and you can be in another unit. That is, they're completely interchangeable in Anova, so pick the units of measurement that you are the most comfortable with here. If you want to change your password, it is over here. You can also take advantage of our detailed help section here that helps you with some of the questions you might have. And that covers our quick walkthrough video. Thanks again for signing up for Anova, and let us know if there's anything we can do to help you get started.